From the upcoming World Cup to a small school hallway, threats can arise with little to no warning. Many security systems still rely on solely human attention, but attention fades, and mistakes, delays, and inefficiencies can happen at a moment's notice. Introducing Aegis, a multi-agent workflow designed with Google's Agent Development Kit. Aegis offers two main features: passive computer vision analysis and active communication link reasoning for faster response times. Firstly, we'll demonstrate passive system. For our demo, we streamed 4 video feeds from YouTube Stream to showcase implementation of Aegis. Aegis utilizes ADK to detect anomalies that may arise, such as erratic behaviors and concerning objects. When abnormal behavior is detected, it sends an alert to the security operator and logs when the behavior happens for easy retrieval. As demonstrated in camera 1, the status is abnormal as people are laying down on a staircase, which does not commonly have people laying down on. Secondly, our active system utilizes speech-to-text AI that transcribes multiple inputs from security guards to concentrate focus on a specific camera. This streamlines the system by automatically logging instances not detected by the passive system. For our demo, you can input your own audio to access specific moments for further review. One of our main core values is keeping a human in the loop for reliability and insurance purposes. With our system, the operator can ask reasoning questions to find key moments that would otherwise be manually retrieved. As shown in this demo, the operator can ask Aegis to analyze certain cameras as well as elevating their level of concerns and giving it reasoning questions. This is our architecture diagram with Google ADK at its heart. Google ADK equips Aegis with a multimodal, multi-agent process that automates the complex process of surveillance systems. Thank you for watching the demo for Aegis, secure, smart, simple, made for the Google ADK Hackathon. And thank you so much for my team for making this all possible.